Everything looks secure. Let's get the forklift moving.
Confirmed. The chassis modules are clear for transport.
Easy now, bring it straight back.
Confirmed clearance on the left side, 75 millimeters.
Descent is stable. Monitor the sensor array.
Green across the board. The coil is secure.
The feed rate is stable, but the temperature on Sector 4 is slightly high. Keep an eye on it.
Alignment check on C-pillar, Sector 3.
Looks good. Confirming sequence start.
Data stream looks stable now.
Confirmed. The variance is within acceptable limits.
Check the synchronization on Arm 7.
Looks stable, well within parameters.
The hood structure alignment is holding steady.
Data confirms a perfect match on the frame.
The calibration seems accurate now. Yes, the surface finish is within the specified parameters.
The alignment on the rear quarter is holding steady.
Good. We should see the primer coat adhesion improve with this calibration.
The gloss consistency on the rear panel looks flawless.
Data confirms it. We are good to go.
The reflection lines look perfect on the door panel.
Yeah.
Data confirms 0 defects.
Excellent. We're clear for the next phase.
Check the clearance on this panel gap.
It's within the parameters. The automated sequence is holding steady.
We need to check the seam right here before it moves to the next stage.
The robotic calibration seems slightly off on this section.
The laser scan shows perfect coaxial alignment on the Z-axis.
Confirmed. Lock the mounts and initiate the securing sequence.
The stitching on this module is perfect.
Confirmed. The leather grain matches the specification. We can approve this batch.
The routing path aligns perfectly with the schematic.
Diagnostics confirms secure contact at the bulkhead.
All right, the alignment looks perfect. Let's start the paint density scan.
Running the diagnostics now. The sapphire blue finish is flawless.
The panel gaps are all within tolerance.
Confirmed. The paintwork reflection data looks excellent as well.
Check the real-time data on the suspension travel.
Looks good. We have a successful calibration across all metrics.
The panel gaps look excellent on this side.
Confirmed. All diagnostics are green. It meets specifications.
Great work. Let's sign off.